Okay, so I've got a problem. I'm running Google Ads for furniture. My client don't have a website or a landing page. Instead, they sell the furniture through Facebook page. Wow. Okay. So tell me, what should we do regarding landing page? Well, without a website, you are trying to build up a castle on someone else's land. Facebook is not your property. You got to drive traffic to your landing pages or to your website. Build up your own website and then run traffic to it, because then you'll be able to track and put all your conversion tags, analytics, tag manager, all the tags, remarketing tags on your website, and then you can see what's working and what's not working. Driving traffic to Facebook is not recommended. It's not very scientific. And if I was you, I would not take on this client, because I'll be pulling my hair out if I was to do that.